After 24 years in Canadian banking, Rao Movva recognized a universal truth. Most retirees live with a deep sense of retirement anxiety. They are stuck in a fog of what-ifs, wondering how and if they can truly sustain their standard of living for the long term. This ecosystem was created to replace that anxiety with retirement clarity. It begins at DollarFar.com. Start with our 60-second retirement simulator to see how long your money can last and what moves the needle most. Then, use the cost of living comparison to see where the same income can support a higher standard of living across 9,000 cities. Finally, use the money stretch calculator to measure how much longer your money could last without market risk or saving more. From there, RetireHow.com provides the lived experience. This is where we apply the cost escape framework, a strategic way to sustain your standard of living by leveraging lower-cost regions where your money goes further. Join us this December for a 3-month test in Vijayawada, South India, to validate this model in real time. Use DollarFar.com for retirement clarity and visit RetireHow.com for the lived experience. While you're there, download the free Retire How book.